getting hard to breathe. Good morning, day 2 of the Great Smoky Mountains. Gonna grab some breakfast, grab a sandwich for lunch. Oh, let me stay over here so you guys see me a little bit. And then we're going to head back into the mountains for our last day before we have a surprise for tomorrow. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see that surprise. What's wrong?
I wish I had my big jacket.
It's not that bad. I see the sun up there. Wow. It is cold up here, but I think the wife's making it a little bit worse than what it actually is. She said, "What is that, snow?" I said, "No, it's clouds." She's like, "We're that high up?" I was like, "Yeah, we are." We were getting ready to start a journey up Kleeman's Dome. So it's 6,643 feet above sea level. It's the highest point in the Smoky Mountains. 330 feet a gain of elevation in the half mile. To kind of give you an idea, Laurel Falls yesterday was 1.3 miles, and we gained about 330 feet of elevation in 1 mile. So it's gonna be steep, but looking forward to it. The views are wonderful. Okay, I don't know if we're ever gonna make it this hill. Stop again. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. The burden. But on the plus side, it smells like Christmas tree. On the plus side, it smells like Christmas trees up here. It's amazing. But yes, the air is super thin. We really don't want to, so take your time. We're over halfway there.
I like it.
Told somebody when we went to Laurel Falls, I said, "You only got like 2 more miles to go," and they're like, "The trail's only a mile long." I was like, "Yeah, they moved the waterfall back."
I was about to say, we're about to do that.
It was nice.
We're doing this and we're going over there.
It's a hike.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like this. So this you gain 330 feet in a half mile. There you gain 330 feet in a mile.
Oh, okay. So
But
it's just flatter, but
yeah, but the trail is really thin.
okay.
So, and it's very busy. But it was nice.
Here for this.
There's the finish line. Did I mention I'm afraid of heights? But the views are awesome. Okay, without getting too close to the edge here. There's little signs here that show what you're looking at. It is beyond gorgeous up here. Now for the easy part, going downhill. The last time we climbed a hill like this was when we did Schloss Neuschwanstein in the Bavarian Alps in Germany. We definitely need to work out before we do something like this again, because the air being thin, being so steep, it's rough if you're not in shape. So we finally got back to the car. We're going to find Newfound Gap Road, drive that a little bit. I heard it's really pretty. Check out some of the pullouts, and then we're going to find that Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail that follows a river around, and then we're just going to go to Gatlinburg and do a little shopping and get some food and dinner. And then so we came down Newfound Gap Road to the North Carolina side of the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. We came to Mingus Mill. It's a mill from 1886. They used to make it to grind cornmeal and stuff. So the National Park Service redid it all. So actually in the summer, this actually still runs as a exhibit and everything. It doesn't work off a water wheel like the one that we saw yesterday. It actually works off a turbine. So that's pretty cool, from 1886. Our view. Yeah, I know everything here is beautiful, but that's really beautiful. Okay, this is traffic in Gatlinburg, so if you come here, be prepared. 19 minutes to go 1.7 miles. We might make it to the nature trail. Who knows? So change of plans. After driving through all the traffic in Gatlinburg, where Apple Maps took us is not where we needed to be. So I'm not driving through that traffic again to try to find this place, which might be at the other end of Gatlinburg where we were, where the National Forest is. So I guess it's just back to the hotel, just so the little lady can freshen up. And then I think we're gonna head into Gatlinburg and park and walk around for a bit. So we came down here. We were gonna go to Paul Dean's, but I guess it's not a restaurant, it's just a store. So we're gonna go to this place called Smith & Son Corner Kitchen. Burgers, pasta, salads, wings. Have a quick dinner, then walk around. We were gonna go to the Sky Bridge, but the line is ridiculous. So we're gonna sign off for tonight, and tomorrow, stay tuned for our surprise. Well, at least the way to start raining until our last day. So we're gonna get packed up here, go grab some breakfast, and then we're gonna head to Cookeville, Tennessee for our little surprise. We got to Cookeville, Tennessee, and we picked up our new present. So today is actually 5 years that my wife and I have been together, and Monday was our 1 year wedding anniversary. So this whole trip was kind of a anniversary thing going on. But here's our new bundle of joy, Baldwin. He's a Weimaraner. Say hi, Baldwin.
Say hi.
So, well, Baldwin has a long trip home because we had 9 hours and 17 minutes and 614 miles to cover. So hope you enjoy this episode of Around Florida and Beyond. Until next time, take care.